how was your experience at Uganda as of now?
As of now, it's good. I can see the happiness in people's faces. It's happening.
Hey everyone, this is Sanjay Padhi and I am first year student at Scalar School of Technology. So today is day first of Uganda 2025 and this is how the Uganda setup looks like. Superb yaar, it's awesome. So there's a lot to come today and I'm really excited. Look how much Kimetsu no Yaiba is popular. So ये तांजीरो बने हुए हैं. वो डायलॉग नहीं बनेंगे हिनोकामी कागुरा.
सन ब्रीथिंग बोलना it doesn't feel great. हिनोकामी कागुरा is good, but then वो flow नहीं आता जो उनका आता है.
हाँ.
So after our annual award ceremony, which felicitates best performance, we thereby officially began with our first ever fest, Uganda.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Shrestha Didi is also one of them who won the award, Young Leadership Award. So congratulations Didi, you were perfect for this award. And also Swarashish Bhaiya. So here there are tons of people for food stall and as you can see there are multiple stalls here including bistro, Domino's and much more. So there are multiple stalls here from where you can take your food.
क्या बात है सानिध्य
Lol, I just won this. So we have tons of event happening which also includes BGMI tournament. यहाँ पे हो रहा है. सब लोग BGMI में लगे हुए हैं फोन में. So people are playing Smash here. So people are very excited it seems. So this was BGMI and Smash tournament. We have many more things going on. Let's have a look.
Audience, let your energy rise. Let your cheers roar. Because Octave 1 solo singing competition is officially live.
Every breaking wave on the shore tells the next one there'll be one more. And every gambler knows that to lose is what you're really there for. Summer hours fearlessness. ऐसे आने से तो बेहतर आना था उनके अंदाज़ करम उन पे वो आना दिल था. Held your hand, sure to give you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to everybody, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
And that was Octave 1. Such wonderful singing performances. I am stunned. They were really awesome. So now we are heading for Chai meets Tech. Let's have a look. We have Madhurima ma'am here. And let me show you.
The same question that you saw thousands of startups and If you want to mention what's the difference between the startups who make it and the startups who break it or go bankrupt? What's the main difference?
See, all things being equal, which means that if all of these startups had a great idea, they were doing something which was meaningful, they were building something that there was a market need for, most startups fail because they cannot cross the value of it. And running out of cash is the biggest reason most startups die in their early years.
About idea on the product, but when I researched about it, I found that there are many more companies working in the same field. So maybe they are not giving that vision which I want to give or provide to the customers, but they surely have much more manpower than me and much more money than me surely.
Okay. Was Ola unique? Was Zepto unique? I'm sure you can think of a lot of other examples which were not the first mover, right? That's the difference. It's not the first mover. Unique, I'm looking at it like that. But did they do something? The way they executed it, was it different and better than their competitors? Yeah. Which is why they succeeded. So don't let yourself be bogged down that they have more manpower than me or they have more resources. Do you believe that what you are building is better? And it could be better in any sense, right?
So while I was in the Chai Meets Tech event, my friend informs me about Deepanshu Bhaiya being here, and finally I interact with one and only Eclipse Nova.
Yes, Salif.
So here I am with Eclipse Nova.
Yes.
This was very unexpected. I never expected he would be here, but I'm really excited actually to meet him in person. I have been following his videos since quite a while, and although after drop it I had to I listen to your songs more. Yeah, definitely.
You will promise कि अपने ही channel में. ठीक है. Next time when I meet you, you should remember the song.
Sure, definitely.
ये तरीका होता है अपने business बढ़ाने का.
He's going to play a game here, Bistro wala.
आप पहचानेंगे नहीं तू. अभी नहीं पहचान. अनुष्का. Eclipse Nova.
We are going to attend Scalar's performance.
Yeah, let's go guys.
So let's go to see all the students how they're performing. So just beside the dance area we have maze solving. Let's have a look. So there's an electric car over there and it has to come out of this maze. So actually ये थोड़ा important question है. जनरली जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं जनरली होता है कि बहुत सारे टास्क आने लग जाते हैं, टाइम एंड वैल्यू दोनों को मैनेज काफ़ी करना पड़ता है. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज इट एंड किस तरीके से you are able to pull it off?
I'm not able to manage it properly, honestly.
Okay.
Not kidding. I just try to do it again and again. Every time I fail, ट्राई कि मैं वापस फिर से शुरू करूँ और अच्छे से करूँ. That is the only thing that I do. And I'm not great at managing time.
There was so much to cover today, guys. Now I'm finally here to chill. Here are all the refreshments, and we have kachori and all these things. We also have cold drinks, Sprite and Pepsi. So, how's your experience at Yugandhar?
Yes, I'm enjoying a lot considering the fact कि ये पहली बार यहाँ पे हो रहा है. But still इतने अच्छे से हो रहा है, कोई भसड़ नहीं है, कोई दूसरे से मारपीट नहीं कर रहा है. मैं IT दिल्ली से हूँ, तो मैंने तो हर फेस्ट में देखा है कि मारपीट हो ही जाती है. और यहाँ पे everything is so controlled, people are enjoying, people are happy, and I'm so glad to see that. I hope कि आने वाले सालों में भी ऐसे ही continue हो. So मुझे तो मजा आया.
Yeah, sure. Even it's our first fest. I know how much effort it's taking to even get all artists and all the effort being done by all the crew and members and HODs as well. They are putting a lot of efforts in their work, and hopefully this event will be the best in Bangalore. So yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. So we met Eclipse Nova. It was really fun, and he's a very humble guy. I can see that. And the fest is going really smoothly, buttery smooth, and really shout out to all the Yugandhar members out there who have been contributing and been have been working around for this fest, have been working really hard, and I can see especially the editors because I can feel their pain. So all the events have been completed now. We just have the final pro show where we have Vivek Samtani as our guest today, and it's going to be a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. It's going to be super crazy stand-up comedy, and we will have it after 2 hours or something, 2-3 hours. So till the time we have a break, and then we will continue.
A few moments later.
So there are quite a lot of people now. It's evening, 5:35 p.m.
Crazy भीड़ हो रखी है for विवेक समतानी.
तो काफ़ी भीड़ है and they are really excited for Vivek Samtani. You can hear the shouting noises and look at the craze for Vivek Samtani, yaar. Vivek Samtani has already been to stage, now I'm going there.
For easier access for everyone, the people seated behind.
तो मैं इनफाइनाइट बन गया. पूरे दुनिया में कौन सी सिटी सेटल हो गए? मुंबई. तुमने मुझसे एक भी बार पूछा शीशा हो या दिल हो टूट जाता.
So this is post-event madness. बस में हॉस्टल जाने के लिए ये भीड़.